Some places leave you speechless long before you arrive. From dramatic cliffs and endless ocean views to peaceful walking trails, this is a place where nature takes center stage. Every path leads to another breathtaking vista, and every moment invites you to slow down. Today, our journey takes us to one of the most spectacular corners of South Africa. This weekend, we're sharing an adventure with two very special little travelers, our grandchildren. Our journey begins aboard a train winding along the coastline, with the ocean beside us and a beautiful day of exploring ahead. It's a day filled with family, adventure, and the kind of moments we know we'll remember for a very long time.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
As we arrive at Cape Point, the landscape opens into dramatic vistas across False Bay. But the beauty here isn't found only in its towering cliffs and sweeping sea views. Cape Point forms part of the Cape Floristic region, one of the richest areas for plant life anywhere in the world. The seemingly rugged landscape is covered in fynbos, with an extraordinary variety of plants, and with approximately 69% of its estimated 9,000 plant species found nowhere else on Earth. Cape Point is full of surprises. Hidden among the fynbos, we spot a pair of eland. They're the largest antelope in the world, yet they move through this rugged landscape with a quiet grace that makes them easy to miss. For those wanting a slightly easier journey, the Flying Dutchman funicular carries visitors up the mountainside in just a few minutes. Named after the legendary ghost ship said to haunt these waters, it offers a scenic alternative to the climb. Perched high above the crashing waves, the lighthouse, built in 1859, offers breathtaking views across the rugged coastline, where towering cliffs meet the endless ocean below. It's easy to assume the lighthouse above us still watches over the sea, but the real guardian stands far below. Built in 1919, its lower position allows its light to guide ships safely around this dramatic coastline, even when the summit disappears into cloud. Standing here, it's easy to see why the windswept headland has captivated explorers and travelers for centuries. These dramatic cliffs are more than just breathtaking scenery. For seabirds, including the Cape cormorants, they are the perfect nursery, safe nesting ledges above the sea, with the rich waters of the Atlantic providing everything they need to raise their young. Far below lies Diaz Beach, one of Cape Point's hidden treasures. Reached only by hundreds of wooden steps descending the cliff, it's a journey that rewards those willing to make the effort. Surrounded by towering rock faces and the vast Atlantic Ocean, it's one of the Cape's most secluded and breathtaking beaches. Before leaving, we couldn't resist stopping for the classic family photo at the famous Cape of Good Hope sign. Like so many visitors from around the world, it's one of those moments that becomes part of the journey and one we will always remember. Some places leave you with photographs. Others leave you with memories that stay with you long after you've gone. Cape Point is one of those rare places where nature, history and adventure come together in a way that's impossible to forget. We hope this journey has inspired you to slow down, embrace the outdoors and discover somewhere new. We'll see you on the next adventure.